Login loop error on Monzo Business Fix. If your Monzo Business app keeps sending you in circles during login, asking you to sign in again and again, it can be incredibly frustrating. Most people assume it's a server issue, but the truth is, it's almost always a device or cache problem. The good news: it's quick to fix once you know what's really going on. Start by fully closing the Monzo app. On iPhone, swipe it away from the app switcher. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Monzo, and tap Force Stop, then clear the app cache. On Android, select Storage and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone, uninstall and reinstall the app that clears everything in one go. Next, ensure you're using the latest app version. Monzo regularly updates its login systems, and older versions can cause loop errors. Open your App Store or Google Play and install any pending updates. If you're logging in through the web, clear your browser's cookies and cached files. All authentication tokens stored in your browser are a common reason Monzo keeps redirecting you back to the login screen. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network restrictions. Some networks, especially office or public ones, block secure authentication links. Finally, disable autofill or password managers for one login attempt. Manually type your email and password. Autofill can sometimes insert outdated credentials that don't match Monzo's current security session. After doing all this, restart your device and open the app again. The login loop should disappear, and you'll be able to access your business account without interruptions. So the next time your Monzo Business app keeps looping, remember, it's not your account that's broken. It's just your device holding onto old session data. Clear it out, refresh your connection, and you'll be back to tracking expenses and managing payments smoothly.